American Express Platinum Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They assume the American Express Platinum Card is just an expensive card with a sky-high annual fee. The surprising truth in 2025 is that this card is packed with perks, rewards, and exclusive benefits that can easily outweigh the cost if you know how to use it strategically. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about the American Express Platinum Card, how it works, and whether it truly deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's start with the basics. The American Express Platinum Card is a premium travel rewards card that offers a mix of points, travel perks, and elite benefits for frequent travelers. Unlike standard cashback or mid-tier travel cards, the Platinum focuses on delivering high-value experiences, convenience, and VIP treatment across multiple aspects of travel. *** Membership rewards points ***. In 2025, cardholders earn 5x membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel, and 5x points on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. This is one of the highest earning rates for premium travel cards, allowing you to accumulate points quickly if you book flights and hotels regularly. Other purchases earn 1x point per dollar, which is standard, but not particularly high, so the key is to use the card strategically for travel-related spending. **Sign-up bonus ***. The Platinum Card offers a generous welcome bonus, often ranging from 100,000 to 120,000 membership rewards points after meeting minimum spending requirements within the first 3 months. In practical terms, this could translate into multiple domestic flights, a premium cabin international ticket, or several nights at high-end hotels when redeemed strategically. **Travel perks and benefits ***. The card's standout features are its travel perks. Cardholders enjoy complimentary access to over 1,400 airport lounges worldwide through the American Express Global Lounge Collection, including Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, when flying Delta, Priority Pass lounges, and more. For frequent travelers, lounge access alone can save hundreds of dollars per year, while offering a quiet and comfortable space to work or relax before flights. The Platinum Card also provides up to $200 in annual airline fee credits, which can offset incidental fees like checked baggage, in-flight purchases, or seat upgrades. Additionally, cardholders get elite status with certain hotel chains, such as Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite and Hilton Honors Gold, which can include perks like room upgrades, late checkout, and bonus points on stays. Uber and other travel credits ***. In 2025, the American Express Platinum Card includes up to $200 in annual Uber credits for rides or Uber Eats orders in the U.S. If you use ride-sharing frequently, this benefit can easily offset part of the annual fee. Combined with credits for prepaid hotels and airline fees, the card effectively reduces its $695 annual fee if you utilize these perks fully. Fine Hotels and Resorts Program ***. The Platinum Card offers access to the Fine Hotels and Resorts Program, which includes over 1,000 luxury properties worldwide. Booking through this program provides benefits like room upgrades, daily breakfast for two, early check-in, late checkout, and property credits for dining or spa services. Savvy travelers can easily extract hundreds of dollars in value from a single stay, making the card highly valuable for those who enjoy luxury travel. Purchase protections and insurance ***. American Express provides extensive protections for cardholders. This includes trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranties. In 2025, these features remain relevant for travelers who want peace of mind when booking expensive trips or high-value purchases. Points redemption flexibility ***. Membership rewards points earned with the Platinum Card are extremely flexible. You can redeem points for flights through Amex Travel, transfer to airline and hotel partners at 1:1 ratios, or use points for statement credits or gift cards. High-value redemptions are often found through airline and hotel transfers, allowing you to book premium cabins or luxury hotel stays that would otherwise be prohibitively expensive. Annual fee ***. The most talked about aspect of the American Express Platinum Card is the $695 annual fee in 2025. While this is high compared to mid-tier cards, the combined value of lounge access, travel credits, elite status perks, and rewards earning can easily offset the cost, especially for frequent travelers who use these benefits strategically. Who should consider the card. Frequent travelers who fly internationally or in premium cabins. Individuals who will take full advantage of lounge access, hotel elite status, and travel credits. People comfortable with a high annual fee in exchange for premium benefits. Those who can maximize membership rewards points through strategic travel spending and partner transfers. Who might skip it. Infrequent travelers who don't need lounges or luxury perks. Individuals looking for cashback rewards or lower annual fees. Those who rarely travel and want to utilize the travel credits effectively. Real world example. Mark, a 38-year-old consultant, flies internationally 4 to 5 times per year for work and leisure. After signing up for the Platinum Card in 2025, he earns 120,000 points from the sign-up bonus, 50,000 points from flights, and 10,000 points from everyday spending. He uses the Fine Hotels and Resorts program for 2 trips, saving $600 in combined hotel credits and upgrades. The lounge access and Uber credits save him another $350 throughout the year. Even after the $695 annual fee, Mark calculates a net value of over $1,500, making the Platinum Card a clear win for his travel-heavy lifestyle. Tips to maximize value. Use the card primarily for flights and prepaid hotels to earn 5x points. Redeem points strategically through airline or hotel transfer partners for high-value travel. Utilize all available credits, including airline fees, Uber, and hotel credits, to offset the annual fee. Take full advantage of lounge access to enhance your travel experience and save money. Keep track of elite status benefits with hotel chains to maximize room upgrades and perks. Conclusion. So, is the American Express Platinum Card worth it in 2025? For frequent travelers who can leverage lounge access, elite status, travel credits, and points earning potential, absolutely. It provides premium benefits that can save you money, enhance your travel experience, and accelerate rewards earning. For those who travel infrequently or prioritize cashback rewards, it may not make sense to pay the high annual fee. The key is to match the card's premium benefits with your lifestyle and travel habits. In short, the American Express Platinum Card isn't just a credit card, it's a gateway to elevated travel experiences. Use it strategically, enjoy the perks, and let it transform the way you fly, stay, and explore the world in 2025.